We are not just a team of bank exam tutors, we are in fact ex-bankers ourselves. Welcome to day 11 of Daily 5 MCQ series for State Bank of India's Circle-Based Officer exam of 2025 year. In each video of this free lesson series, we will discuss 5 MCQs that are very important from the angle of the exam. Okay. And the topic of today's class is KYC, know your customer. So what is KYC? KYC is a process where banks and other financial institutions, they verify the identity and the address of their customers to prevent money laundering, fraud or terrorist financing. And when is it done? KYC process is done at the time of account opening, usually at the time of account opening. Okay. Now before further ado, let us begin the questions and answers. Question 1. Which of the following transactions requires CIP, customer identification procedure, even for a walk-in customer? Okay, now who is a walk-in customer? A walk-in customer is a person availing the services of the bank without being an account holder. For example, a customer that has come to the bank to exchange soiled notes, he is a walk-in customer. Or a customer that has come to the branch to make a NEFT transaction by paying cash, he is also a walk-in customer. Okay, so now we understood who a walk-in customer is, but what is CIP or customer identification procedure? It is actually a part of the KYC procedure where the identity of the customer is known by the bank. We already discussed that KYC is done at the time of account opening, and there are two steps for KYC. The first step is to establish the identity of the customer, and the second is to establish the address of the customer. So this is a part of KYC. CIP, that is customer identification, it is a part of KYC. But we already discussed that it is done at the time of account opening. Then this CIP, that is customer identification procedure, is also to be done at the time of account opening, right? Correct. But CIP is mandatory for even a walk-in customer who is not an account holder in some case. So what is that case? That is the question. Okay, so even when a walk-in customer is not an account holder, even then customer identification is mandatorily to be done. When is it mandatorily to be done? That is the question. Okay, let us take a look at the options. Option A, purchase of demand draft of 10,000 rupees or above. Option B, purchase of demand draft of 25,000 rupees or above. Option C, cash transaction of 50,000 rupees or above. Option D, ATM withdrawal of 20,000 rupees or above. Option E, none of this. Now option D cannot be the answer because option D, it says ATM withdrawal. So the customer must have ATM card, and a ATM card is given only to a account holder. So option D, it is definitely not the answer. So it must be A, B, C or E. So what is the answer here? Here the answer is option C, cash transaction of 50,000 or above. So a walk-in customer can do cash transaction below 50,000 rupees without being an account holder. But if the transaction amount reaches 50,000 rupees, then customer identification is to be done mandatorily. Okay. Now, before going to the next question, let us see how BankerWings can better help you prepare for the SBI CBO exam. We have launched 2 courses for SBI CBO 2025 exam. In the first course, you will get summary notes on all the topics. These notes will be crisp, precise and very to the point. But most of you might not have enough time to go through the notes. For such candidates, we have provided top, most probable and most important multiple choice questions. If you are someone who does not have enough time to go through the notes, because we know you are all working candidates, you can go through the multiple choice questions and then finish the syllabus. But apart from the summary notes and the multiple choice questions, we have also provided 10 mock tests. These mock tests, they will be as per the pattern of the actual exam. So you can expect similar type question in your real exam also. In the second course, we have provided only 10 mock tests. These mock tests, they will be, as I said, as per the trend and pattern of the actual exam. This is for those people, the second course is for those people who just want to test their preparation level. And let me tell you one thing about our courses. The quality of our courses is excellent. They are the best in the market. But that is what any tutor would say, right? That his or her content is the best. So why should you trust me? I will tell you why. Because we at BankerWings, we are not just a team of bank exam tutors. We are in fact ex-bankers ourselves. We have passed multiple bank exams, both at fresher entry level and lateral entry level. We have passed multiple IBPS exams. So when we say that we know what the banks are actually looking for in these exams, we really do, because we have worked there. Coming back to our daily MCQs, question 2. In which case should introduction by an existing customer be sought for new account opening? Okay, let us take a look at the options. Option A, always as a bank norm. Okay. Option B, when the customer does not have PAN. Option C, when Aadhaar is not submitted. Option D, it should not be insisted upon as per policies. Option E, if the branch is located in rural areas. So in which of the cases the bank should insist for customer introduction, existing customer introduction for opening new account? That is the question. So the answer is option D. It should not be insisted upon as per policy. Some of the banks still mandatorily insist for introduction from an existing customer. Actually, as per the norms, it is not required at all. Okay, let us go to the next question now. Question 3. Which body is the designated CKYC records registry? Okay. Now let us take a look at the options. Option A, UADAI. Option B, SEBI. Option C, FIUIND. Option D, NPCI. And option E, CERSAI. CERSAI. Now, before answering this question, let us understand what CKYC records registry is. After the establishment of KYC procedure, the government went a step ahead and made mandatory the capturing of KYC details of account holders and giving a unique 14-digit unique number to identify each customer's data and storing all the customer's data at a central registry. That is what is CKYC records registry is. It is a registry containing the centralized KYC records of all the customers. Okay. Now, but one body, it acts as that repository which keeps the CKYC records of all the customers. Which is the body? That is the question. So the answer here is CERSAI. Option E, CERSAI. What does CERSAI stands for? CERSAI stands for Central Registry of Securitization Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest of India. CERSAI, it comes into picture even when we talk about surfacing. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Question 4. What is mandatory before performing Aadhaar based offline verification? Okay. What is Aadhaar based offline verification? It is a method to verify customer's identity without accessing the UIDAI database. It is paperless and privacy respecting KYC method that is permitted by UIDAI. Okay. But which of the given options is mandatory before performing Aadhaar based offline verification? Let us take a look at the options. Option A, Aadhaar being linked to PAN. Option B, consent of the individual. Option C, submission of PAN. Option D, loan account section. Option E, none of these. Now, even though the question was a bit tricky, the options are very easy. The answer is definitely option B, consent of the individual. So, without consent of the individual, Aadhaar based offline verification, it cannot be done at all. Okay. Now, before going to the last question, if you want the PDFs of our daily MCQ series questions, they are available for free on our Telegram channel. And if you like the class, please like and share the video. And if you want the platform to show you our videos daily, then subscribe to the channel. And if you want classes on any particular topic, let us know in the comments. We will cover that topic in the next class. And do take a look at our paid courses by visiting our website and taking a free mock test. The link is in the description. And the best part of our course is that you will get personal guidance from us. You may call us at the number on the screen anytime. Okay. Now let us get to the last question. Question 5. Digital KYC as per the policy includes capturing what? Okay. Let us take a look at the options. Option A, live photo. Option B, officially valid document. Option C, location coordinates. Option D, all of the above. Option E, photo and Now, what is this digital KYC? It is a paperless electronic process of completing KYC requirements using digital tools as defined by the RBI. It involves capturing of certain data in real time. But which data exactly? That is the question. So what is the answer here? The answer is option D, all of the above. To complete the digital KYC process in real time, live photo, an officially valid document and location coordinates are to be captured. Okay, we shall end the class here. And let me remind you once again, there is a live strategy session on preparation for SBI CBO exam on Sunday, that is 15th of June. It is open for all. This interactive session will be taken by Mallikarjun sir, who is a bank exam mentor and an experienced banker himself. You may be attempting SBI CBO exam for the first time or you may be a repeater. This session is for you. After you have attended it, you will not have any confusion regarding the exam. You can have all your queries answered. Thank you. All the best.